Hi, I'm attorney Gage Herbst from Contigo Law. I wanted to talk about five common mistakes that I'm seeing over and over again in Asylum. Now, I did a blog post about this that you can read about as well, but just to sum it up quickly, Asylum is when somebody is requesting protection here in the United States because they fear being in their home country. Now, in order to do that, you have to apply for asylum within the first year of being here in the United States. If you don't apply for asylum within that first year, in some circumstances you can request an exception to that, but generally speaking, your application is going to be denied just because you filed late. Second, don't sign anything that you haven't read. I'm seeing this over and over again where we're in a trial and the government will produce a copy of something that my client signed at the border saying, "I'm coming to the United States just to work." That undermines the whole theory of the case, makes it very, very difficult for us. They can impeach the client with that and shoot their credibility. So it's important that nobody sign anything unless you read it. That's a no-brainer. But that also applies to attorney work product. If you're working with an attorney, don't sign anything unless you understand what is in that document. Now in our office what we do is we translate line by line everything to somebody if they don't speak English, because we have to turn in documents in court in English and a lot of our clients don't speak English. But make sure you understand what that document is before you sign it. It's essential. Remember, you're the only one that knows the story on why you're seeking asylum. Your attorneys are trying to see it through your eyes, but you've got to make sure that everything agrees with itself and that we don't contradict ourselves in any of our filings. Third, you need to tell your attorney everything. Remember, you hired your attorney because you trust them and you hired them to help you. Don't hold back information from them, even if it's embarrassing or sometimes very painful to recall those details. Your attorney needs to know everything about your case or they can't help you in the same way. So tell them everything. The best way to do that is to write it down and give it to them in paper so that they can, while they're preparing your case, look back at that and recall important details. Fourth is don't wait to try to get evidence from your home country. Sometimes it's very difficult to get that kind of evidence that we need. For example, letters of support, affidavits from other witnesses, medical documents, police reports. Those types of things can take time to get from other countries. So make sure that you're working with your attorney and requesting those ahead of time. Last is you got to know about work permits while you're in asylum. Now those are complicated. The way you get a work permit while you're in an asylum proceeding is first you have to turn in the asylum application and then wait 180 days. After that is 180 days that has been pending. Now, if you request a continuance or you request a non-expedited hearing, which many of our clients do for various reasons. However, if you do that, then it can stop that 180-day clock, and even if your case lasts years, you can't get a work permit. So you need to talk with your attorney and make sure that you're on the same page with regards to work permits and the overall strategy of your case. Now, I'm attorney Gage Herbst. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to talk to you. The number is 801-676-6548. You can follow us on Instagram or read up on our blog at contigo.law. Thank you.